I had a lot of demons in me, and a lot of people that was protecting me. And this man right here brought a lot of them out. And I just want to say, if anybody needs help, let him try to help. Don't push him away, and don't fight him. Try to let him do what he can do, because he helped me.
I just give Jesus the honor, the glory. This gentleman had a number of soul fragments in him, causing him a lot of torment. Been causing him really for at least 10 years, more than that. And he's been set free tonight. He could feel the immediate release. And again, we just give Jesus the glory. And it was a victory for Team Jesus, Team Yeshua. And so we just give him all the praise, the glory, and the honor. And y'all have a good night. And
Thank you.
yeah, thank you. All right, you take care. Bye-bye.